South Korea's new president vows to restore nation. South Korea's new liberal president, Lee Jae-myung, yesterday pledged to raise the country from what he described as the near destruction caused by a martial law attempt and revive a struggling economy facing global protectionism. Lee's decisive victory in Tuesday's snap election stands to usher in a sea change in Asia's fourth-largest economy, after backlash against a botched attempt at military rule brought down Yoon Suk-yeol just 3 years into his troubled presidency. He faces what could be the most daunting set of challenges for a South Korean leader in nearly 3 decades, ranging from healing a country deeply scarred by the martial law attempt to tackling unpredictable protectionist moves by the U.S., a major trading partner and a security ally. A Lee Jae-myung government will be a pragmatic pro-market government, he said after taking the oath of office at Parliament, a location where 6 months ago he jumped over the perimeter wall to enter the chamber and avoid martial law troops barricading it to vote down the decree. He promised deregulation to spur innovation and growth in business, and pledged to reopen dialogue with North Korea while maintaining a strong security alliance with the U.S. It is better to win without fighting than to win in a fight, and peace with no need to fight is the best security, he said, referring to his country's often violent relations with rival North Korea. Lee was officially confirmed earlier as president by the National Election Commission and immediately assumed the powers of the presidency and commander-in-chief, speaking with the top military leader to receive a report on defense posture. With all the ballots counted, Lee won 49.42% of the nearly 35 million votes cast, while conservative rival Kim Moon-soo took 41.15% in the polls, the highest turnout for a presidential election since 1997, official data showed. Lee has said he would address urgent economic challenges facing the country on the first day in office with a focus on the cost of living concerns affecting middle and low-income families and the struggles of small business owners. With democracy alive, I hope the president will revive the economy and have consideration for underprivileged citizens and small business owners, said Kim Moon-kyung, 58, a Seoul resident. The new president also faces a deadline set by the White House on negotiating import duties that Washington has blamed for a large trade imbalance between the countries. Vow. Vow.
动词誓言发誓，名词誓言誓约。
Restore. Restore.
修复使恢复，使复原，重新采用，使复职归还交还。
Martial law. Martial law.
戒严军事管制。
Protectionism. Protectionism.
贸易保护主义。
Daunting. Daunting.
令人恐惧害怕的，使人气馁的。
Tackle. Tackle.
处理、解决、进行、交涉。
Pragmatic. Pragmatic.
务实的，重视实际的，实用主。
Decree. Decree.
名词法令、政令、命令。动词颁布法令、 下达命令。
deregulation, deregulation,
解除管制，放松管制。
innovation, innovation,
创新，创造新观念。
dialogue, dialogue,
书本、电影、戏剧的对话、对白，国家间的对话。
assume, assume,
承担、担任、呈现、假设、推断、认为。
commander-in-chief, commander-in-chief,
总司令、三军统帅。
address, address,
动词解决、处理、应付、演说、致辞、给某人写信。名词地址、演讲。
economic challenge, economic challenge,
经济的挑战、考验。
struggle, struggle,
动词奋斗、拼搏、斗争、苦苦挣扎。名词奋斗、努力、挣扎、斗争。
underprivileged, underprivileged,
社会底层的，属于弱势群体的，贫穷的。
revive, revive,
再度复兴，重新流行，苏醒，复原。
negotiate, negotiate,
谈判、协商。
trade imbalance, trade imbalance,
贸易不平衡。